Okay, it's been 45 minutes. I've decided to go ahead and stop the test early because the charge controller is showing the battery's completely dead. I'm down to 22.0 volts. Nothing is getting hot as far as the cells. They're all good. 22.12 volts, 61 watts. 2.78 amps, 78 amps there, 22.4. I don't know. This hasn't quite worked out right. So let's shut the load off and disconnect our pack there. And that's it for that test. I would consider this kind of a failure because I wasn't able to run my halogens on this pack, on this 24 volt system. I can only assume as to why. I really don't know why, other than maybe being a 24 volt pack, it doesn't have enough capacity, maybe? I really don't know. It doesn't really make any sense to me, but so I guess that's it. I'm glad I didn't hook that up in permanently, as I was talking about before, because now I've got two 12 volt packs. Not sure what I'm going to do with this, but I think I'm going to go back to just having the single 12 volt pack for experimentation. Maybe I just need to stick to 12 volts rather than 24, but it was fun trying to test this out. At least I know it will work. The charge controller will not go any higher than 24 volts, so I'd have to change that if I wanted to experiment with 36 or 48 or so forth and so on. So I guess that's it for my testing today. Since I've got another unexpected day off, I guess I could work with all the other batteries. So since I do have an unexpected day off, maybe later today, I should be getting all these other cells out that have all been completely recycled and recharged back up. They're all sitting here fully charged, just waiting for me to do something with them. Maybe this would be a good day to get these out. My original idea was to build another 12 volt system using these and using these nice glued together battery packs. I got two of these that I put all together. These would all be in parallel. I never got the third one finished because I started making the other 12 volt pack for the test I just ran. But these would still need to have all the nickel plating installed in them, but everything is ready to go. This is 20 cells each. I don't know if I have enough of them to do 3 full 20 cell packs to make a much larger 12 volt system or not. I actually experimented with using these nice little things, and I still may end up eventually building the big pack out of these, because with these I really like the idea of having each and every cell individually fused with a little 5 amp fuse wire. You see lots of people build them out of these, and then they solder. Of course, you got to solder your bus bars on and all that. These are all individual pieces, very easy to put together to any size. And then you put your little fuse in between them with the bus bar in the middle. That way it's much safer. With these, if something goes wrong with one cell, then all the other cells are going to dump into it or whatever, and then the whole thing can short out. So I am not sure what I'm going to do. I'm going to think on it, and maybe later today I'll start putting these together to experiment with them. But I don't know if I want to permanently have everything all mounted together in these big packs. But the first thing to do would be to get all these cells out, arrange them in the capacity that they need to be in, and most importantly, check them all with the ANOVA meter and make sure none of them are losing voltage. They've all been sitting since October, November. I believe I finished right about the 1st of December with cycling these. So they've been sitting quite a while. If any of them are going bad, I should be able to tell that with the multimeter. So maybe that's what I'll do. And I would also dismantle this pack here, the second pack I built. Actually, I wouldn't really dismantle it, but I need to build a third one of these, and I've got a great start right here. I've got enough of these plastic cases to put together to make this one from 9 to 20. Then I would have my 3-cell large pack. I'll think on this and get back to it later on today.